name's Lauren Kronk, and I've been a denim designer and a denim maker for 25 years. I'm on the hunt for pretty much anything and everything denim. So join us for the journey, and we'll see you at the factory. So here we are in Karachi, Pakistan. Now, Karachi is an amazingly colorful city. I mean, the city's huge. There's 16, 17 million people here. Anyway, we're headed to Soorty Enterprises this morning, and Soorty is one of the largest denim manufacturers in Pakistan. They're a vertical denim manufacturing company. Now, when I say vertical, they start from scratch. So they start from cotton, spinning cotton into yarn, weaving denim, cutting, sewing, washing, and packing and shipping pretty much around the world. Today we're going to head over to the spinning facility. Now, this is where all the fresh picked cotton comes in. They've got bales of cotton, it's stored, and they take that cotton and spin it and turn it into yarns.
Doing good, sir?
Everything.
Nice to meet you after a long time, sir.
Yeah, everything's good. So I'm lucky to have him driving us there. We got a little security help back here too. We're almost to spinning, but we're passing through all the cotton storage facility, and it's just massive. It's pretty mental how big it is. Now we're pulling up to spinning, and we're going to go inside and check it out. We're in the spinning facility. I showed you where they keep the cotton stored, but now we got to get that cotton into yarn, and that yarn will go to the indigo dye, and once it's dyed in indigo, it'll go to weaving. So we're going to show you the process, the complex process of getting cotton into yarn, and I'm going to run through it real quick. This is the blow room. The blow room takes bales of cotton and opens it up, cleans it, and transports it to the carding machine. I'm going to show you something that's really cool, and they're running some Pakistani cotton blending with post-consumer waste, so a recycled content. So this blue stuff is post-consumer waste with Pakistani cotton. It's basically doing the same thing as this. This is on a bigger scale. This is the plucker, and it's blending and transporting it over to the carding machine. And we're gonna run over to carding. Now what you're looking at now is a blended Pakistani cotton with post-consumer waste cotton. And what this does is it creates these slivers. And now these slivers are going to go through the next process. So this and now these little bit smaller, stronger slivers go over to this machine, which is the finishing machine. So what this does is and then this sliver comes out here, and now it goes over to the I used to call it roving, but it's called
a roving simplex.
Simplex, which takes these finished slivers and does what they call the first twist. It gets it onto some bobbins in preparation for the ring spinning. So you can see these finished slivers are coming in, and they start doing the first twist and put onto these bobbins. It's also wild how clean this place is. There's these vacuums that are constantly going around cleaning. You can see the vacuums here, they're cleaning. Okay, now we're gonna show you these bobbins that are getting ring spun. These are being ring spun, and now you have a ring spun yarn on this bobbin. I mean, it's huge. This place is just massive. And these vacuums are constantly cleaning. There's a lot of fibers that blow around through the air. And so now what they do is you want to convert these small bobbins. You want to merge them together and make bigger cones. So they take these bobbins and you wind these onto cones and make these cones a lot bigger. So you'll see these bobbins of ring spun yarn are winding onto larger cones. And these cones are almost the finished product. These robots are so cool. They're constantly like fixing and adding thread. This one's having a tough time. It's got a little suction, and then it starts again. Right? So once these cones are finished, they go to they get put on these racks. Look at this, and then they go through this ultraviolet black room for kind of quality check, consistency, and then these get loaded into the this is the conditioning machine, which adds a little moisture to it. And after this, they get packaged. And this is all the storage of it's just crazy. Everything here. I love all the colors, the packaging. Like, they don't do this stuff in the United States. The colors are so much cooler than we do. I mean, that's it. And that's how cotton gets turned into yarn. And then it gets loaded up in a truck. Finally, an opportunity to explore the local Pakistan, Karachi lifestyle here. We're in Burns with Norman right here from Soorty. He's showing me around. We're at Burns Street. This is a famous food street. And Saturday night they shut everything down, and pretty soon this traffic will stop, and there's any type of food you want here. And I'm excited, finally excited to